What if a rocket never had to be built on Earth at all? Everything this factory needs arrives as raw material, not finished hardware. Inside, those raw materials are transformed into exactly what the next machine needs. And from here, the factory never needs to send the material back to Earth. The first machine begins with the most important part of the rocket, its engine. Layer by layer, the engine grows without a traditional assembly line. Even its most complicated cooling passages can be created inside the metal itself.
When the final layer closes, the factory has produced the heart of the rocket without importing a finished engine.
Now the same factory starts printing the rocket around it. In microgravity, even structures too large to move easily on Earth can be handled by machines. Every section is built directly from the same digital blueprint. Then the separate pieces begin becoming one vehicle. No army of workers waits beside the rocket. The factory builds with machines. Every machine knows what comes next. And because the factory is digital, every measurement can instantly change the next operation. The rocket is no longer moving through a factory. The factory is effectively building itself around the rocket. But a rocket that looks complete is still only a machine, waiting for its first test. The factory now has to prove that everything it built can work together. Every vibration becomes data. Every failure becomes a new instruction. If something needs to change, the same factory can build the replacement. Now the factory must prepare the vehicle for the mission itself. Even the final checks happen without sending the rocket back to Earth. The raw material arrived as cargo. Now it has become a mission-ready spacecraft. And for the first time, the supply chain and the launch system are part of the same place. This is where the idea becomes bigger than a rocket factory. Waste can be processed, parts can be remade, designs can evolve, and new vehicles can begin immediately. One mission feeds the next. And once that loop works, Earth no longer has to supply every step. Imagine a factory where raw material enters at one end and a finished rocket leaves the other. No highway, no shipyard, no return trip to Earth. Just one continuous industrial cycle in orbit. If humanity can close this loop, space stops being a destination and becomes a place where we manufacture engines. The first rocket factory in space may not just build spacecraft. It could build the infrastructure of humanity's next frontier.